Ooh, it's a cold one. All right, boys. Today, we on the road. We going out to a secret location to do some little spinnies, some little donuts, some little ice drifts. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we better go spin some shit. We in the Pontiac G5 Coupe today, 07. You know the vibes, man. We got the baldest tires you could possibly have. You know what? Let me show you how bald these tires are, dog. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Nothing. This is where's the vibes? You already know who we playing. Big Kodak.
Is that Jambo?
What is that stage for us? Kicking up cameras. Yeah, we could be superstars, but I'm pretty sure our time is up. And so we fell off the spinning tops.
Oh, say my nigga, it'll be your kill. Nobody gonna play with you, no with you. But we on the way to the secret location right now. Be there right now. All right, we pulling up the location right now. A little hot right there. Jesus, already sliding. This is perfect, dude. Look at this, man. They cleared it out all for me, dog. Let's activate drift mode real quick. You already know. Shit, should we just send it? I'm about to go over to this pull over here and drift around that. See if I can do that. Oh my God. Bro, I'm gonna break my car. I'm gonna break it. I'm in an automatic right now too, you know. Little dick shit. Hey, that was a better one. I don't do this, all right? I do not do this. I drive a front wheel drive Pontiac G5, so. Let's try this one more time and then, I don't know, maybe do some donuts or something. Sounds good to me. Oh my God, dude. I want to get this on video for you guys from out the car. Oh shit, that's a curb. Almost hit the curb. Almost hit the pole. I don't know how to do this, man. Oh my God. All right, let's try just a nice little drift over here. Oh! Holy shit! Holy shit! Did I hit it? Oh God, did I hit that shit, bro? Oh my God, man. We got people here. It's not looking too good, dog. Bro, I really hope I did not just hit that. I really hope I did not just hit that. Why am I shit on, bro? Oh my God. Oh, we got people pulling up. Yeah, we gone. We gone. It's over with. Oh my God, I didn't even check my car, dog. Bro, I couldn't hit the brakes. I couldn't hit the brakes. What do we got? What do we got? We chillin'. That was already there if you didn't know that. But we chillin'. Let's go. Spot number 2, baby. We on the way. DMV is just handing out licenses, dog. I'm telling you. God damn! God damn! What the fuck, bro? Why you turning in my fucking lane and shit, bro? I would have just collected a check. Holy shit! Call that fucking niggas on CBA texting in all caps. Alright, we pulling up to the second spot right now, but this spot is a little there's a lot of people around here, so I'm probably only gonna be able to do a couple spinnies. Aw, they don't even got ice over here no more. No type of ice. No. Alright, let's just try to hit a nice little drifty right here. Nah, that wasn't it. It ain't worth it, man. It ain't worth it, dog. I think that's the end of the video, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't feel like breaking my car. No cap. Almost crashed 2 times. Almost took out that sign, dog. Oh my god. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was my first little video, you know, not much, but hope y'all have a nice day, you know. Get your accomplishments done, you know, achieve your goals. I'm about to achieve my goals right now. And have a good day, everybody. See you. Peace.
When I'm right, I'm famous, but can't shit change me, nigga. $1 million worth of game, these niggas. I sold green, sold white, sold lyrics. Courtside watching the house play the Pistons.